So if you want like a very, very tasty pasta, all you have to do is follow this recipe. It's so simple, it's so juicy, it's so delicious. You're going to enjoy everything. So the first thing you want to do is to get your water ready, then salt it, and then just add in your pasta. For this pasta, making use of penny pasta, so you can decide to use any pasta of your choice. So just allow that to cook until al dente. The next thing you want to do is to gather your spices. So these are the list of spices that I use to just mix up everything together. The next thing you want to do is to prepare your chicken. I just add my spices to my chicken. I'm using chicken breast, but you can decide to use any part of chicken of your choice. The next thing I want to get ready is our shrimp. So I just add in the spices that we mixed up earlier. So just mix together and set aside. So into my pot, just heat up some oil and then cook our chicken. So cook your chicken on both sides until it is ready or it is brown and then scoop out. The next thing you want to do is to add your shrimps in there and then just cook for like 2 minutes and scoop out. Next, go in with your hot dog. Just add that in there, and once it's ready, just scoop out and set aside until we are ready to cook everything together. So into my pot, I'm just going to add in more oil and then just saute some onions and then go in with some tomato paste, mix that together. And the next thing I'm going to just go in with some tomato, blended tomato pepper and cayenne pepper. So just mix that up together. Next thing I did was to add back our spices, add in some seasoning cube, go in with some peppers, and then add in some coconut milk. So allow that to cook. Next thing you want to do is to add in your cooked pasta, mix up everything together until everywhere is well coated with that deliciousness. Then go add back your proteins. Then just add some of the bit of the pasta water and mix up everything together. Next you want to just do, you just want to top up with some spring onions, and here you have it. Your delicious, very tasty pasta is ready. This tasted so good. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.